I want us to quickly talk about sexually transmitted infection. Oftentimes, people thought that STI are diseases for what irresponsible people. No, let's break the facts. STI doesn't know your status, your gender, or your position, or whatever, even your age. It doesn't know. As far as you are sexually active, you are prone to sexually transmitted infections, especially if you have multiple sexual partners. What are those sexual transmitted infections? We have gonorrhea, we have syphilis, we have chlamydia. The other ones are hepatitis B virus, HIV and AIDS, among others. There are numerous of them, but let's mention those ones. What are the symptoms you are going to see? You have discharge, severe itching from your private part, socks in your private part, and other discomfort, abdominal discomfort or abdominal pain that you may be experiencing. So those are the simple signs of sexual transmitted infection. A lot of people used to call or chat us to ask that, doctor, can sexual transmitted infection be completely cured? So I'm going to answer that your question today. Yes, it can be cured. No, it cannot be cured. The answer is both yes and no, in the sense that some of them can be cured, like gonorrhea, chlamydia, syphilis. They can be cured with antibiotics, with the most sensitive antibiotics after you run a test. While the ones like hepatitis B virus and HIV and AIDS cannot be completely cured, but it can be managed. Their symptoms can be managed to suppress the viral load. These are the differences between them, between the both. Some can be completely cured, while others can only be managed, or their symptoms can be managed. How can we protect ourselves from sexually transmitted infection? Always use condom when you are meeting your sexual partner, especially if you have multiple sexual partner. The symptoms may not show in their faces. Some of their symptoms are silent. You may not even notice them, but they can be transmitted to you. So always use condom when you are meeting your partner. Ensure they used to receive blood transfusion. Ensure that the blood is well screened, so that the blood may not be collected from an infected person and infused into non-infected person, because that is another means of transfusion. Don't share your personal or your undies with someone, or don't share sharp objects with others. They are also means of transmitting STI to other people. The most effective way of protecting yourself from STI is to maintain one single sex partner, and also know the health status of that person. Regular health check. Have yourself test regularly, you and your partner. That is the most effective way to prevent STI. Don't always wait for yourself to break down before you go to the hospital and end up spend a lot of monies, more than the preventive care that you should have taken from the beginning. This might help someone. Share it with someone. Always follow us, Rooney Medic, for more interesting and educative health tips and content. Thank you all. God bless you.